Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, 10th April is going to be a very important day. Okay, not because we have CPI, but we have double dhamaka. We have CPI and FOMC coming up on the same day. Usually we don't get to see days like this where we have two events on the same day, but yes, today is important. We have CPI and then FOMC. So my dear friends, please be careful. Before I proceed with the video, I would like to mention that usually before a major event, market doesn't move much. Trading opportunities are usually limited, and today we can expect the same. So number of trading opportunities will be very limited, or you can say that we may not get a proper trade also before the news. Okay, and before I proceed with the video, I would like to thank you, not thank you, okay, give a big hug thanks to each and every one of you, because for the first time yesterday I checked my likes on the video, and yesterday I received highest number of likes after saying I received around 4,500 likes, and I usually get around 300, 350 likes. Okay, that I checked. For the first time I saw, okay, thank you so much. Okay, it's like a dream to me. Okay, I never thought that I will be receiving so much love and support from all around the world. And this is the main reason, okay, why I upload videos, or I try to upload videos regularly, because this is the love of the people that keeps me going. Because people usually come to YouTube mostly for the money they make from the ads. Okay, that is true. Okay, and if you look at my views, okay, you can easily understand that hardly I make peanuts. But it's the love of the people that always motivates me to come and upload. Thank you so much for everything. Okay, let's look at the markets. And gold hovers below record peak ahead of inflation data, Fed minutes. Dollar sideways, yen under watch ahead of key CPI release. Gold is flat but retains upside bias. Okay, and this is the chart of gold. So we can see that right now gold is trading around 2355 or above 2350, and gold is still going up. But if we observe the chart carefully, then we can see that right now the market seems to be sideways, but we cannot deny that the overall trend of the market is still bullish. So if you have a buy position, ongoing buy position on gold, okay, no need to exit. You can still be on the trade because further upside is very much possible. In fact, after CPI or FOMC, if gold drops also, I don't think so gold will break 2300 level. And because of the ongoing market situation, because of geopolitical tensions, buying of the central banks, I think after if gold comes for retracement also, there's a high chance that gold will be continuing the upside. Okay, if Fed surprises us with something big, then things may change. But at this moment, okay, I don't think that not fell Fed, okay, Fed will be doing something, okay, out of the box, and we can expect that gold will be continuing the upside. But the problem with gold is that gold has been bullish for a long time, and a retracement is due, as we all know. So I think after the CPI or FOMC, we may get the retracement, but in the long run we may see gold continuing the upside again, because for the market to go up, a retracement is very essential, and right now we need a retracement, and maybe after the fundamental factors or news we may get a retracement. But overall gold is bullish, so if you have a buy, you can be on the trade, no need to exit. And if you're looking for fresh trading opportunities, then obviously it's better to buy at retracement. So the first level for the day is 29, sorry, not 29, okay, 2329, okay, and 2330. The black line that I have drawn here, 2329, 2330 is the first level where we can look for a buy position, and we are using FIBO here, nothing else, only FIBO. You can see we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level around this area. So we can expect that during the European session, if market comes to the level and bounces, we can go for a buy. This level will not work after CPI, after FOMC. You need to understand that not all levels have the equal strength, and these are the levels that will work when the volatility is not very high. So before CPI, you can expect the level to work if market bounces. The second support is around 2320 to 2316. The box that I have drawn here is a second support because of Fibonacci 50% retracement level. Along with that, you can see previous price ejection around this area. So these are the two levels where we can look for buy position on the chart of gold if gold drops. And if you already have a buy on gold, no need to exit, okay, because further upside is still very much possible. But the problem is that market is still going up. We can see the chances of market coming down to retracement are very less. If you do not get a proper entry, no need to enter. Okay, you can look for trading opportunities after news or tomorrow. We are traders, not gamblers. Do not forget it. We are traders. That doesn't mean that we need to be on trade all the time. The goal is to make money, not to trade all the time. Okay, the quality matters. So before CPI or during the Asian session or European session, if you see market going up or gold breaking 2365 this level, if you see gold breaking 2365 2366, then be careful with your buy, because we have been following the strategy of buy at breakout. Whenever gold was not coming for a retracement, we were going for buy at breakout. The buy at breakout strategy is still very much valid, but we need to keep in mind that for a breakout, volume is extremely important. Without proper volume, there cannot be a breakout. It will be a false breakout. So if gold breaks 2365 2366, okay, then wait for some time, wait for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour just to see what the market is doing. If you see that the candle is good, candle is strong, then only go for a buy position. And personally, I will not buy. I just have a buy limit at 2329. That's it. Okay, I will not go for any buy stop, any buy breakout today, at least before the news. And I will be removing 2329 during just before the news, because 2329 will not work at the time of news. So these are the limited trading opportunities on the chart of gold right now. And after news, okay, try to follow the trend of the market. Do not look for reversals, because fundamentals, okay, when they dominate, technicals do not work. As a retail trader, we need to understand this. Scalpers can look for a risky sale opportunity around 2362 to 2365. Scalpers, if you see that market is showing some price rejection from above, if risk is your middle name, you can look for a quick sell for 20-30 pips. But otherwise, okay, if you're not in a position to take any risk, try to avoid, okay, because not all trading opportunities are for everyone. Okay, some are risk takers, some are not risk takers. The risk appetite decides, okay, where you should be trading. Okay, for example, someone is looking for a big trade, then obviously he will not be going for small retracements like 2329 2320. He will be looking for a retracement 2250 2200. It all depends on the trading style, trading strategy, and your risk appetite. Okay, so just I'm wrapping it up. Okay, the number of trading opportunities are very limited. It's a big day, 2 events on the same day. So if market comes to 2329 232016 level, we can look for a buy. If market doesn't come, do not be a gambler, skip it. And if you want to take the risk, if you see market reversing from 236265 level, you can look for a sell. Okay, so buy here, sell here. And in case market goes for a breakout, be careful, because of lack of volume, it may be a false breakout. After news, follow the trend of the market. That's it. Okay, we have been following this strategy for a long time. Okay, and we can see that the strategy has been doing pretty well, but still follow proper risk management. Market will be crazy today. And thank you so much for all the love and support. It's a dream. Okay, that's all. Okay, and please do not gamble.